by introducing yourself?
Well, I'm Jacob Bonesi, the Chief Director within the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education. We know the President, the former President, as one who advocated for the development of education. I also have another hat, Ndiri Majigira. So, His Excellency Muzukuru. We are saddened by his demise, but he left us a lot. Apart from the education sector, it's a land issue. I'm also a farmer, and I have a great deal of respect for his contributions to this country. Having endured many years of imprisonment, harassment, I think the information is well known. We wish him well where he's going, and we'll follow suit anyway, as prescribed by the laws of nature. Yes, thank you very much.